Sorry naman to guys, routine ko every Sunday. So after doing my laundry, I'm giving a bath on my kids, Bella and Bubbles. This one is Bella, our adopted child. So she was giving us by the good couple. Yes. A little bit trivia about Bella. When she was first arrived on our home, she was I guess a bit confused. And then may trust issues pa. Di pa siya friendly, aloof siya sa mga tao, even me. Pero okay siya, yeah. She's so good. Mabait. Oh my God, hindi ka kabati isang bark. But sooner or later, parang lang man siya naman ginawa, ginafeed, ginatap ang ulo. Well, na-notice ko siya nga every time we walk, nag-run na siya. She's playing with Bubbles and Bob too. And then, when we get home, Daddy and I, she's excited. She's wagging her tail and waiting for us to tap her head. So maybe na-feel niya na nga we loved her also. And this one naman is Bubbles, my princess, my piece of heart. Yes. Well, a bit trivia about Bubbles. Why I named her that Bubbles, because it sounds like Muggles. My first alaga, but Muggles is a Labrador. So, para permi ko siya ma-remember, I named her Bubbles. Sounds like Muggles. Scrub. Yes, scrub like that. Scrub mo lang gid siya nga daw. Like that daw nilabahan. Iyara ginadadamo ang dirt dara unan sa kilid. Yes, that way, yes. Hindi man siya sakit guys, kay pang dog na siya ya. Humok na siya. Okay, tinlop na yung lot of work din sa akong ligoon siya guys. After that, dapat ituyo mo gid siya. Blower mo pa ni siya kay madirty na siya pagkatapos.